Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how to use do and does in yes/no questions. This is your teacher Hamilton, your kind of teacher. Hola a todos, en el video de hoy vamos a aprender a cómo utilizar do y does en preguntas de sí o no, obviamente en el presente simple. Okay, let's get started. Empecemos. In order to understand how to use do and does in yes/no questions, first we need to review the personal pronouns, ¿no? A fin de entender cómo utilizar do y does en preguntas de sí o no, debemos primero revisar los pronombres personales. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. ¿Ok? Yo, tú, él, ella, it, que es el pronombre para una cosa en singular. We, you, they. ¿Ok? Nosotros, vosotros o ustedes y ellos o ellas. ¿Ok? And so what we're going to do is to combine the personal pronouns with the auxiliary do or does, ¿ok? Lo que vamos a hacer es combinar el auxiliar do y does con el pronombre personal, ¿ok? And this is the most important part, ¿ok? You have to remember this part. Esta es la parte más importante que tienen que recordar. You have to remember which pronoun goes with which auxiliary, ¿no? And so we have the first one, do, that goes with I. Also, do goes with you. ¿Ya? Tenemos que do va con I y con you. And then, he, she, and it, they function with does, ¿no? He, she, and it, ellos funcionan únicamente con does. And finally, we, you, and they work with do. ¿Ya? Ellos trabajan o funcionan con do. And that's it, that's all. Eso es todo lo que deben saber, ¿no? No hay más que recordar solo esa parte, ¿no? And the simple way to remember that is by paying attention to the pronouns he, she, and it, ¿ya? La forma más rápida de recordar esto es simplemente poniendo mucha atención a los pronombres he, she, and it, que son las terceras personas del singular. Ellos van a ir con el auxiliar does, ¿ok? Next, we'll have to add now the verb, the complement, and obviously the question mark. Tenemos que añadir el verbo, el complemento y el signo de interrogación, obviamente, para hacer una pregunta, ¿ok? So, it goes like this. Do I speak Spanish? Entonces va así, ¿no? ¿Hablo español? Do you live with your parents? ¿Vives con tus padres? Does he work in a company? ¿Trabaja en una compañía? Does she like pizza? ¿Le gusta la pizza? Does it rain in Ecuador? ¿Llueve en Ecuador? Do we have a car? ¿Tenemos un carro? Do you play video games? ¿Juegan videojuegos? ¿Ellos? No, perdón, ¿ustedes? Do they watch TV at night? ¿Ellos ven televisión en la noche? Okay? And these are examples of questions, no? And what we have to remember is that the most important for today is he, she, and it, they go with does, ¿no? Lo que tenemos que recordar es que he, she, and it van a ir con does. Also, something important is the structure of a yes-no question in do and does. First, you have the auxiliary do and does, then the personal pronoun, then the verb, and then the complement, and obviously the question mark, ¿no? Lo que recordamos o lo que tenemos que poner atención es para hacer una pregunta es que el orden es importante. Primero va el auxiliar do y does, luego el sujeto, que en este caso es un pronombre personal, y luego el verbo y finalmente el complemento con el signo de interrogación, obviamente. Okay, so now we're going to practice. Here we have some sentences or some questions that do not have the correct or are in blank. They don't have the auxiliary verb, ¿no? Están estas preguntas que no tienen el auxiliar do or does. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to complete with do or does. You have to choose the correct one, do or does, ¿no? Eso es lo que vamos a hacer y van a completar con do o con does. And now you can pause the video for 1 or 2 minutes to complete that, ¿ok? Entonces vamos a completar utilizando do or does y vamos a pausar primero el video para que ustedes lo hagan individualmente y pueden pasar el video ahora. Okay? And we are back. 2 minutes later, 2 minutos después, we have the answers, ¿no? Tenemos las respuestas. The first one is, you speak English? You speak English? Do or does? The answer is do. Do you speak English? I live in the city. I. Do or does? I goes with do or does, and is definitely do. Do I live in the city? Next one is, he walked to school. He walked to school. Do or does? What do you think? Is does. She get up early. She get up early. Do or does? And the answer is does. Next example. It have a garage. The house. A garage. Do or does? And the answer is does. Next one. You like ice cream. You like ice cream. Do or does? And the answer is do. Next one. We watch TV. We watch TV. Do or does? What do you think? And it's going to be do. Correct. And the last one, la última. Do they play soccer? Do they play soccer? Do or does? And the answer is do. Do they play soccer? Okay. If you have all these answers like this, then you are good. Si tienen todas las respuestas tal como están aquí, entonces estamos bien. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned how to use do and does. This is your teacher Hamilton. And if you want to learn how to answer do and does with short answers, yes, no questions, please click on the link below and watch the next video. Okay? Muchas gracias por ver el video. Yo soy su teacher Hamilton. Espero que hayan aprendido cómo utilizar do y does con los pronombres personales. Si quieren ver o saber cómo responder do y does utilizando respuestas cortas de sí o no, denle clic al siguiente link y vean el siguiente video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.